If you crave something crunchy, and also juicy with a little bit of sweetness, then this croissant is for you. You can make it from a store-bought sandwich croissant, like these little beauties. First, you have to slice it in two, which is easy when the croissant is frozen. Then put the two pieces of the croissant together and transfer in the oven. Then turn the oven on. Moving on to the next ingredient, it is important to use an apple that doesn't change the color when you peel and shred it. I'm using an ambrosia apple here, that is ideal for this. I'm putting it in the oven too. Once the croissant is crispy on the outside, I will open it and leave it in the oven like this for 2 more minutes. I'm checking on the apples, they are ready, just softened a little, and heated, not really cooked. I can proceed to top the bottom of the croissant with the shredded apple. I use the whole apple here. Then sprinkle with cinnamon for flavor. I'm not adding sugar with the shredded apples because it makes them leach the juice. After I cover with the top of the croissant, I prefer to sprinkle some powdered sugar on top. You need just a little, less than half of a teaspoon. This is just perfect, enjoy.